Combining water therapy with the Ho'oponopono prayer offers a powerful way to promote good health and healing. By infusing water with the transformative intention of the Ho'oponopono prayer, we invite forgiveness, love, and harmony into our life. Namaste, dear Divine Soul. Welcome to Twine Heal. So today we are going to practice a very powerful technique, water therapy. So you have heard about water therapy. So we are going to practice Ho'oponopono prayer with the water therapy. So how to practice? So water therapy, when combined with the powerful practice of Ho'oponopono prayer, can be a transformative way to promote good health and overall well-being. By infusing the water with the healing intention of the Ho'oponopono prayer, we invite a positive transformation into our life. Ho'oponopono is a profound Hawaiian prayer and forgiveness practice that will help us to restore harmony and healing within ourselves and our relationship. So without wasting any time, let's start. So first, create a sacred space. You can simply find a peaceful place where you can practice. So you can sit and then hold the glass of water. Take a clean glass of water in your hand, close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Visualize the water being filled with divine light and the healing energies of the universe. Now feel it and you can hold with your intention. Now chant the Ho'oponopono prayer. Repeat the following phrases. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. So you have to chant this. How many times? Need not to worry about it. Just spend some time, 3 to 5 minutes, and chant. Here you have to visualize yourself and just connect with the divine power. Direct these words to yourself, anyone you may have heard, and divine presence you connected with. Feel the essence of these words infusing the water with the healing vibration. So once you have done with the process, just drink the blessed water. Drink the blessed water mindfully, allowing it to nourish your body, mind and spirit. As you sip the water, just feel it. Feel the divine healing power. After that, just gratitude and release. Express the gratitude for the healing journey, and then you can release if any attachment. Trust that the Ho'oponopono prayer and energized water will bring positive transformation in your overall well-being. Practice this powerful water therapy along with the Ho'oponopono prayer daily. Thank you and be blessed.